Hey everyone, how's it going? So it's time for another Among Us surprise fold video, and in this one I want to do something Halloween related. So I thought it'd be fun to show you how to draw an Among Us zombie surprise fold with a fun little twist when we open it up. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video. Now to start off with our Among Us zombie surprise fold, we're going to begin by folding our paper in half. So we want to take our paper and just fold it in half like this, lining up the corners, and then giving it a nice little fold down the side here. This way you have a birthday card look. Next I want to fold it in half again, so I'm just going to line up my corners once more, and I'm going to give it a nice little fold. And then when I open it up, I actually have 3 little fold lines here. Now what's nice about this is I can line this up and I can use these little lines as a guide for when I'm drawing on the inside here. Now to start off with our Among Us zombie, we're going to begin with the little face shield. So I'm going to start right here, and I just want to make a line that's going to curve around and it's going to come down to here. Then I'm just going to bring this line down and connect it. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up. It's going to come over and down here. Right here, we're going to make a little line that's going to come down past the fold. Then we're just going to continue this down. I'll draw a little line that comes over. Then I'll make a line that goes up. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that curves over again, with a little line that goes down, and that's going to come over. Next, I'm going to draw a little line that comes up here. Starting here, I'm going to make the pack, so I'll draw a little line that goes over, and then it's going to come down. We will bring this all the way down to the fold, and then we'll jump over and connect it over to here. Now we want to add some little details onto our little zombie Among Us character. So let's start with the face shield. I'm going to begin here, and I just want to make some little kind of pointed lines on here just to make it look like the face shield might have broke. So we're just going to make some kind of pointy little lines. Then I'm going to just make a little zigzag line over here to look like there's a crack in the face mask. Right here, I'm going to make a line that just goes down and up, and then over here to make it look like there's a little part taken out of the suit. Over here, I'm just going to make kind of like a little wavy line. We'll make a little line that comes down with some little lines across. I'll make a couple little bumps over here, and maybe a little wiggly line here. Over here I'll just kind of make a couple little pointy lines that just go up and down. And then we'll make a couple little bumps over here, and maybe a little hashtag over here. So this is the start of our little zombie Among Us character. We can see it's pretty beat up looking. Now we want to begin by adding the details on the inside. Now once we have our little character done and we open it up, we can start on all of the details. So the first thing I want to do is I want to connect this line all the way down to here. So we'll begin by just making a nice long line that comes down. Now for the pack, I'm going to draw a line that comes down. Then when I get to about here, I'm going to make a little bit of like a few bumps on here, make it look like there's a chunk taken out, and then we'll draw a line to connect here. Starting here, I'll make two little lines that come out, and a couple little bumps on here to make it look like there's a little bone sticking out. Starting here, we'll make a line that comes down, and we'll make a line that comes up over here. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come over, and it's going to curve down. Then we'll make a line that's going to just connect to here. Starting here, we'll make another kind of little wavy line to make it look like he's drooling. And then I want to add some teeth in here. So I'll go and just make a couple little square shapes for some teeth up here. And we'll make a few down here too. Make them a few different sizes. Then I want to make a tongue in here. I'm going to start here and I'm going to make a long line that's just going to kind of curve around. Then I want to make it nice and skinny here, and then as I slowly come back farther, I'm going to make it bigger. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come down for the other side of the mouth. And I'll make another little line here. Then for a few more details, I'll add another little line that comes down with a few little lines across. And then I'll make a few more kind of little pieces kind of taken off, a couple little wavy lines, things like that. Then over here, I want to make a little Among Us character running. So I'm going to begin right here, and we'll just make a little line that's going to curve up. And it's going to come back around. You can see this one's kind of pointing up this time. Starting here, I'll make a little line that's going to curve down. I'll make a little leg that goes out. It's going to go down and then come back. Then we'll make another little leg that curves here. We'll go out, up, and then bring it back so it looks like it's running. Starting here, I'll draw a little line that's just going to curve down to here. And a little line that's going to go over and down. Then starting here, I'm going to make a little kind of bumpy shape on top, so it looks like it has kind of like a little brain on here. And then I'm going to add just a couple little curvy lines everywhere. I want to make a couple little lines on the back here, so it looks like it's running. And I'll put a couple little lines above it just to make it look like it's kind of shocked and surprised. And there you go, there is your drawing of an Among Us zombie surprise fold. When you have it all folded up, you have this little Among Us zombie character. And then when you open it up, you have him getting ready to try and eat another little Among Us character. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.